If you're experiencing refund issues on Mollie, follow these steps to resolve them effectively. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. Identify the issue. Determine the specific problem you're facing with the refund. This could be related to the transaction status, customer complaints, or technical errors. Understanding the issue will help you find the right solution. Step 2. Check transaction details. Log into your Mollie account and locate the transaction in question. Review the transaction details, including the amount, date, and status, to ensure that you have accurate information before proceeding. Step 3. Initiate the refund. If the transaction is eligible for a refund, you can initiate it directly from your Mollie dashboard. Click on the transaction and select the option to issue a refund. Follow the prompts to complete the process. Step 4. Communicate with the customer. Inform the customer about the refund process. Provide them with details such as the expected time frame for the refund to appear in their account. Clear communication can help manage their expectations and reduce frustration. Step 5. Monitor the refund status. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can effectively address and resolve refund issues on Mollie. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Mollie's customer support for further assistance.